Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, it's today Sunday, and yesterday is Saturday, May the 1st, 2021. We have two puzzles left, binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2, 7, 2, and 9. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O. Oh, we have 4 O's here in this column, so the rest are 1s. All right. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. 4 ones we have in this row, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's in the last column, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finished in 3 minutes without any comparing, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.